Now I have this generator and I absolutely love everything about it, including remote start and the ease of use. And it has a 30 amp 125 volt plug for the RV plug, and it runs the refrigerator, it runs the air conditioner just fine. Here's what a close-up of what it looks like. But the problem is it's not 220 volt. And I have tried so many adapters, and every time I try to weld using my Miller Multimatic with this Cummins P4500i, it simply does not work. Now you could do tandem generators, but I'm not going to drop another $1,400 on that. Here's the RV adapter, but once again it converts 30 to 15 amps, but I want 30 amp 125. Anyway, just trying to get some welding done, even if it's light duty, even on the lowest setting of 22 gauge, I still can't get the welding to work. Suggestions? I made another video with this adapter because welding supply stores do not sell this, and this was very hard to find, but you may find yourself needing it on a job site. After consulting Cummins, the peak wattage is only 4,500, but when you consult Miller's website, they say that you absolutely need to have a generator putting out steady 10,000 watts. And so it's simply not able to keep up with the Miller Multimatic. If you really want this to work, you have to do tandem generators or switch over to an actual legit welder generator like the Miller Bobcat or Trailblazer.